In VA14 or values integration, I came to understand that teaching is learning twice. While I was teaching, I also learned so much. At the beginning of this course, I already felt nervous and afraid that I might be assigned to teach math. As a student who used to dislike math, I didn't expect that this would be the subject where I'd be integrated values education. But fate challenged me. At first, I was full of self doubt and I was scared that I wouldn't be able to teach it properly. But despite the fear, I gave it a try. I really tried my best. And that's when I proved to myself that I could actually do it. Fear didn't stop me from trying, learning, and growing. With this, I realized even more that teaching isn't just for the student. As teachers, we continue to learn too. For me, teaching is a cycle of growth, not just for the learners, but also for us educators or our free service teacher. With every lesson we teach, we also discover something new, not only about the subject that we will taught or the subject that I taught, but also I discover more about myself.